Ladies and gentlemen, now, we will start our third lecture of the analyze phase. During the lecture, the following topics will be covered: process mapping, 5 whys analysis. What are the goals from using process flow charts? Simplify understanding by providing a visual depiction of the process. A picture says more than 1,000 words. Create a shared understanding amongst the team for the problem. Clarify the individual process steps. Identify the process structure. Establish the basis for advanced process analysis. Identify the potentials for optimization and improvement in the processes. Clarify the complexity. The steps to perform the process flow chart are: 1. Depict all functions which are involved in the process flow. 2. Accentuate the starting and end points oriented on a high-level mapping, for example SIPC. 3. Identify the process steps through brainstorming before drawing up the actual chart. Every step is made up of a noun and verb. For example, gather job documentation and check credit details. 4. Plot all the identified steps in their actual, correct sequence in the flow. Use standardized symbols for this purpose. Symbols of the process flow charts. Oval. Indicate both the starting point and the ending point of the process steps. A box represents an individual step or activity in the process. A diamond shows a decision point, such as yes, no, or go, no go. Each path emerging from the diamond must be labeled with one of the possible answers. A circle indicates that a particular step is connected to another page or part of the flowchart. A letter placed in the circle clarifies the continuation. A triangle shows where an in-process measurement occurs. Example of process flow chart. It starts with paint job process. The first activity is assign job. Then go to the second activity, pick up vehicle, then order paint activity. Then come to a decision point, job details are okay or not. If yes, go to carry out job activity. If no, go to resolve questions, and then go to carry out job activity. After carry out job activity, go to inspect work activity. Then go to a decision point, work okay or not. If yes, go to contact customer activity. If no, go to rework, then back again to inspect work. After contact customer, we finish the process by pick up vehicle by the customer. Another example for process flow chart. Please notice that by analyzing the process flow chart, we can reduce the process steps from 10 steps to only 6 steps, which, resulting in reducing the average assembly time from 5.7 minutes to 2.9 minutes. Let us perform an exercise for a flow chart for manufacturing system. Please download flowchart activity.pptx from resources. Drag and drop the activities from right side to its suitable location in the left side. Please pause the lecture and solve the exercise. Please check the solution of the exercise and compare it with your solution. Please perform the following first activity for process flow chart and send your output by email for assessment. Diagram A shows the steps used to inspect the RM and PM for a pharmaceutical company, while diagram B depicts in-process checks. Draw flow chart to combine the two processes. You may add symbols as necessary. Please perform the following second activity for process flow chart and send your output by email for assessment. Draw flow chart to analyze the process steps shown. You may add symbols as necessary. Five whys analysis is a problem-solving technique that allows you to get at the root cause of a problem fairly quickly. It was made popular as part of the Toyota production system. Application of the strategy involves taking any problem and asking, why, what caused this problem? Benefits of the five whys. It helps to quickly identify the root cause of a problem. It helps determine the relationship between different root causes of a problem. It can be learned quickly and doesn't require statistical analysis to be used. How to use five whys. 1. Select any cause from a cause and effect diagram or a 12-baron, a Pareto chart. Make sure everyone has a common understanding of what that cause means. Why 1. 2. Ask, why does this outcome occur? Why 2. 3. Select one of the reasons for why 2 and ask, why does that occur? Why 3. 4. Continue in this way until you feel you've reached a potential root cause. 5 whys example for unsatisfied customer. The cause is the late delivery of copies. Why are we late in delivery? Because the copier jams. Why does the copier jam? Because there is humidity in the copier room. Why does humidity cause jams? Because the paper absorbs moisture and sticks together. If you can't do anything about paper that absorbs moisture, go back to solving the problem of high humidity in the copier room. What can we do to control or reduce humidity in the copier room? Our current problem description is the conveyor belt on the main production line has stopped. Please construct the 5 whys analysis to find the root cause of the problem. Please pause the lecture and solve the exercise. Please pause the lecture and check the solution of the exercise. Compare the solution with your solution. Five whys activity. Taiichi Ohno, the creator of the 5 why technique, is quoted using the following example to teach using 5 whys for root cause analysis. 1. Why did the robot stop? The circuit has overloaded, causing a fuse to blow. 2. Why is the circuit has overloaded, causing a fuse to blow? Please complete the 5 whys analysis and send your output by email for assessment. Thank you, and see you in the next lecture of Analyze phase.